Hey guys, this is the Kiss My Keto Make Gains bundle. This is for all those people that are looking to build a little bit of muscle on the keto diet. We all know it is a little bit tricky, but it is very, very achievable with the right products and regimen. So on that note, the keto protein chocolate is probably our best seller, and there's good reason for it. Not only is it delicious, but it is a great combination of MCT oil powder and hydrolyzed collagen. So you get that nice mix of both fat and protein in one. Add it to your coffee in the morning and it'll keep you full for most of the day. Next up, we have our MCT Oil C8 Brain Fuel. This is the best chain of the medium chain triglyceride. Take this as a pre-workout supplement, particularly if you're intermittently fasting, so on an empty stomach, and bang, this MCT oil will just go straight to your liver, convert it to ketones that you will use as energy, and you will have a great session at the gym because you will feel like you have a ton of energy. And I take it every morning. I absolutely love it. Next up is our Keto Replenish. So, electrolytes is a big thing on the keto diet. We typically lack it because it's hidden in so many carbohydrates. So take these, I would say leave them in your car and just pop a couple of these bad boys in the morning or in the afternoon before a workout, and you're guaranteed to feel all around better throughout the day. And last but certainly not least is our Exogenous Ketoad. It's a mixed berry flavor, absolutely delicious, and it has electrolytes and caffeine in it. What I love about this product is the caffeine. I mean, as a pre-workout supplement, who doesn't want a little bit of caffeine as an extra energy boost? So yeah, between these 4 products, they make up our Make Gains bundle. They're all a little bit different. We have oils, powders, capsules, and another powder here. And yeah, I absolutely love these products. I think it makes a great bundle as anyone that's looking to put on a little bit of muscle on the keto diet. We all know how tricky it is. So yeah, get it now while supplies last.